Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fresh day hair look for you. I did have to wash my hair today, so I wanted to create a look, especially since I normally post videos with me curling my hair or teasing it. Today is just more of a simple look, but I did go a bit more dramatic on the makeup, and I do have a bold print on, so I thought it would kind of play up the simple hair. So before I continue, if you are not subscribed, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to be notified when I upload videos. Okay dolls, let's get into this video. First is shower and washing hair. The products I will be using is by Function of Beauty, who is sponsoring this video today. Thank you so much, Function of Beauty. And if you have not heard of Function of Beauty, they are a company that customizes your own personal shampoo and conditioner. They are vegan and cruelty free. So I have my own personal shampoo and conditioner. This one I actually named it after myself, so you do have the option to name your shampoo and conditioner, which mine just says Function of Ashley. So getting into hair washing, this is my hair the day after. Since I put a lot of hairspray into my hair, it tends to stay the following day. So I'm really going to need to lather and clean this hair just so I can get all that hairspray out. And here is my special formula by Function of Beauty. This is the shampoo. Now, what I chose in my hair profile when I did the quiz was that my hair was wavy, it was fine, and has about normal moisture in it. And then the goals that I wanted was to deep condition, strengthen. I wanted color protection, thermal protection because of all the teasing and styling I do, and also curl definition since I do curl my hair a lot. And of course, since I love peach, I wanted a peach fragrance. So deep conditioning is just going to moisturize and deeply condition my hair from the inside out, repair some damage, strengthen because I do use a lot of hot tools. This is going to protect my hair from breakage. And then of course, color protection is a major one because it is difficult to find the right shampoo and conditioner that does not strip your hair color. This shampoo and conditioner did a great job at keeping the color in my hair. And then of course, the thermal protection, I definitely needed this because I do style my hair a lot with the curling iron. And once again, this is my specific formula that they created for me, but it's really easy. All you have to do is fill out a 2-minute quiz outlining your hair type, hair goals, and personalized preferences. That's it. So you get to choose your color and your fragrance. There are no parabens, sulfates, GMOs, or toxins. And what I am doing here with the conditioner is applying it on my ends, really making sure my ends soak in that conditioner and then slowly separating it with my fingers. That's going to help take that tease away. And then all the excess conditioner I am going to apply towards my roots. And then I'm just going to let that conditioner sit in my hair for 2 to 3 minutes. And while I'm doing that, I'm then going to continue on with my shower routine, which I like to use the Aveeno Skin Relief because I do have sensitive skin. And then I'm also going to just cleanse my face. And this is the Beauty by Design cleanser that I've been using lately for a bit now. And it's just really going to help with my face and clear it up. So once I'm done with all that, it takes about 2 minutes. And then I'm just going to wash off the soap and then my face. And then this is when I'm just going to take off this conditioner. Now, the shampoo and conditioner really leave my hair so soft and smelling incredible. You'll see how great it leaves my hair. Get your personalized Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner by clicking the link in the description box below. You will get 20% off your order. They are available in the US, Canada, Great Britain, and Australia. Moving on to face, I am taking my Beauty by Design serum and applying that just to get some moisture back into my face. And then I am taking my other Beauty by Design facial moisturizer and applying that as well. This is going to leave my skin very soft and supple. Moving on to hair, I am using my eSalon Get Heated Thermal Spray. It's very important that I put thermal spray in my hair just so I don't burn it with all that styling I do. Now I'm taking this wet brush, and you definitely want to use a wet brush because this is more gentle on your hair, and I always like to start at the ends of my hair and then work my way up to the roots. Now, I never force the brush through my hair, so I like to do it in small little sections and slowly work my way through that teasing and those tangles. And once everything is nice and detangled, I just like do a little run through to make sure I got all the tangles out. Now, using my Suavecita Argan Silkening Serum, this serum is going to also help with frizz and make it shiny and soft. So once again, start at the ends and then leave the excess for the roots. Separating my hair, I'm going to start with the lower portion, and then I'm taking my Cricut Thermal Round Brush along with my Solia blow dryer. This blow dryer is discontinued now. I've had it, I would say, maybe for about 8 years. I've had it for a long time, so I'm praying it doesn't die anytime soon. But Solia is a really great brand. I actually do love it. I got it on a website called Folica. I'm not sure if the website is still up because, like I said, it was a long time ago. But once again, I am just separating my hair, starting from the bottom, working my way to the sides. And round brushing does take some technique and a little bit of effort. It's all about the wrist and the fingers, so it does take practice. I've been blow drying my hair since I was in junior high, so for me it is a piece of cake. So don't be discouraged if you cannot do it right away. It definitely just takes practice, but you want to focus on your roots to lift up and then on your ends to curl out. Once I've curled that whole side and back section, I just like to do a quick blow through. Now working on my bangs, I like to style my bangs in the direction that I want them to flow. So here I am making sure they lay to the left. And fresh blow dried hair, just look at how beautiful it is. It's not frizzy and it moves extremely well. And my color is still vibrant. And a lot of you ask what haircut I get. I get a midi with layers. Moving on to makeup, I'm going to start with my Kat Von D Lock-It Hydrating Primer and apply that before I apply my foundation. Then I'm taking my Lock-It Concealer by Kat Von D, applying that on the tail ends of my eyebrows, underneath my eyes, around my nose, and a little bit around my mouth. Taking my Miracle Complexion Sponge by Real Techniques, and this is my favorite sponge to use, and I'm just going to blend out that concealer. Going in with my CoverGirl Matte Ambition All Day Foundation, and I'm going to mix that with my Fenty Beauty by Rihanna foundation, and I mix the two just so the colors can match more with my skin. The Fenty is too light and the CoverGirl is too dark. Using Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, I'm going to set my foundation all over my face except for the area on my eyelids. Taking my Benefit Cosmetics 3D Brow Tones Instant Color Highlights. This is a gel that I apply on my eyebrows, and this is how I'm going to start drawing out those eyebrows. Going in with my Browsings Shape Kit using the gel side, I am then going to draw the tail ends of my brows and just start shaping my eyebrows a bit more. Then going in with the powdered portion, I'm going to set that gel, and this is actually going to help the gel blend in with my real eyebrows. Taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette, I'm just using this color right here to highlight my brow bone. Then going in with my Sofx Revolution palette, I am taking the shade Cookie Dough, and this is going to be my transition shade. And I'm actually slowly going to be building this color up. Then I'm going in with Chocolate Orange and using this shade closer to my crease and then blending that out. Going a little bit darker, I'm taking the shade Cheesecake and really using a smaller brush to define my crease. And now I'm just going to blend that out. Once I'm done with the crease, I am taking the shade Mulled Wine and applying that on my lid, working from the inner corner and all the way out except for the outer corner of my lids. Here I'm just blending that shade into my crease. Next, I'll be taking the shade Enchanted, which is more of a plum color, and use this for the outer corner. Then taking a smaller brush, I just wanted to get it a bit more pigmented. Now I'll be blending that color into my crease. Next, I'm taking the shade Romance, and Romance looks just like Mulled Wine, except this has some shimmer in it, so I really wanted that cranberry shade to be pigmented, so I used the matte color first, and then I went in with Romance. Then I'm taking Romance and using that for my under eye area, and only taking about 3/4 of the way there. Then I'm taking Enchanted and using that for the outer corner. Going in with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide Eyeliner, I'm taking the shade Alkaline and using that for my waterline. Taking my smaller brush, I'm just slightly blending out that eyeliner. For highlight, I'm going to take the shade Everyday and use that as my inner corner highlight. Taking my NYX Professional Matte Liquid Liner, I'm going to create a wing. Once eyeliner is complete, I'm just applying some mascara. Going in with my Profusion Blush Palette, I'm taking the shade Chic and applying that as bronzer, and then I'm also going to be applying that on my forehead as well, just to bronze in my face a little bit because I am looking kind of ghostly. Taking the shade Sparks, applying that as my blush. And then going back in with Everyday and highlighting. Next, I'm taking my Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in the shade Lolita, and outlining my lips. And then I'm just shading in the inner corners. To fill in, I am taking the shade Cake by Shannon Rose in XOXO, and this is just a beautiful nude shade. I've become obsessed with it, so I'm wearing it very often now, and I think it goes very well with Lolita. For eyelashes, I'm taking Beirut's Cosmetics eyelashes in the shade Gelato. And finishing that off with some under eye mascara. And here is the final makeup look. So since I had my ears on, it did leave a little bit of creasing, so I'm just going over the front portion with my blow dryer just to get rid of that crease that my headband caused. Now to finish off the hair, I'm just going to be doing some slight teasing. Now, not the normal typical teasing I do, so I'm not putting any product in my hair. I'm just adding a little bit of tease just to get some small volume in my hair so it doesn't look so flat. And I'm only going to be starting about halfway up and then working up to my crown, and that is it. And this is it. So as you can see, it's not big hair, it's just very subtle. So for outfit, I am taking my Billy Joe Retro Leopard jumpsuit. This I got in Viva Las Vegas, and I paired it with this belt that I had lying around, and then I paired them with my pleaser heels. So this is just very Peggy Bundy sort of vibes. The chest does have wiring, and it does sort of cinch you in, so it gives you a nice, beautiful shape. And then of course, when I go outside, I always need my leather jacket, so I thought it was perfectly paired with this jumpsuit. And here is a close-up, and as you can see, it does have hints of hot pink, so I also do have some hot pink mules that I love wearing with this as well. And here is a close-up of my pleaser heels that I paired with the outfit. So that is it for today's look, dolls. I really hope you enjoyed it. Just something different than the normal pinup hair. And don't forget to check out Function of Beauty to get your custom shampoo and conditioner. By clicking the link in the description box below, you will get 20% off your order today. I hope you dolls have a great week, and I will see you on Friday for Freaky Fridays. Bye, loves!